face, cause I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn, this that Ken-Tenn. That's just how we do it in the Ken-Tenn. I'm from Ken-Tenn. Ken-Tenn.
Y'all see what's going on, man? Before the pour, man. About to pour this concrete. Ken-Tenn concrete, you hear me? Yeah, we do it all, man. We do it all. See what's going on? Goddamn professionals. Professionals. Professional concrete guys. Ken-Tenn concrete. What y'all know about that? Look, we got the supervisor over there. Check out the supervisor. Tommy. He's making sure everything's safe. OSHA. That's right. Y'all see what's going on? Pouring some concrete. I appreciate you, boy. Thank you. All right. Got a professional out here. Y'all see what's going on, man. Just got done with that pour, man. Got that brush finish going on, man. We'll let y'all see the final product, man, when we get that new garage built right there, man, for Black Beauty. Ken-Tenn Customs, what's good, what's good? Just poured the concrete yesterday. We already putting up the frame, man. Getting Black Beauty's garage together. That way we can both be right beside each other, man. Gotta take care of Black Beauty. She gets what she wants. You hear me? Little update on the shop. Getting it together, getting that roof on there. You know what I'm saying? Doing a little bit at a time. Y'all see the trailer back there. I might have another one I'm gonna put right on this side, but to make a long story short, we're going to go look at a new shop for Ken-Tenn Customs, a bigger one. 5-bay shop, so we're gonna go check it out. Just hollered at my homie Swaps and stuff, and about to call him, you know, Swaps Performance, and take a look at this shop. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and go to www.kentenncustoms.com and pick you up all this fire ass merch. Pressure! All 2021, you heard me? All right, Swap.